All right, everybody, we are at 150 West 2nd Street in Royal Oak, Michigan. This is the third elevator, which I did not think was accessible, but it is actually. Now, these doors, the entrances, these are actually locked, and same with these two doors right there. But if you go in the other entrance with the two elevators, you can cross over on the second floor and get to this elevator. So, let's take a ride. This is more so a secured entrance.
Going up.
Let's go to 4. Double speed door, very slow though.
Fourth floor. Going down.
We are at 4. There's a look up there.
Going down.
There's your machine cabinet right there. The MRO cabinet, very nice. And your clothes works after a certain period of time.
First floor. Going up.
We'll demonstrate the door hold keys or buttons once we get up to 4. I want to demonstrate that.
Fourth floor. Going down.
You can hear the brake after at classic levels, so you can hear the braking gauge.
Going down. Going down.
So your door hold button essentially just holds the door. While it holds the door, we're gonna get a quick look at the fixtures. It's a very nice elevator overall. Get your KSS 140 vandal resistant fixtures, which are in very nice condition considering this is a office building. Very nice. And to release door hold, see, pressing it doesn't do anything. You have to press door close. And now we'll go back to 1.
First floor. Going up.
Right there, you can hear the braking gauge right when it stops classic leveling.